This is one of my favorite prompts idea. I learned this from Daniel Kreiser. If you have days in which you don't know what to do, you could try this and let the jar decide for you. Take a jar or more and prepare stripes of paper in 3 different colors. One color stands for the subject, one for the art material to use, one for the color. Mine are white for color, brown for the subject, and gray for the material. Fold them and put the stripes in the jar and pick. Or you can choose to use 3 jars and put a color in each. After you pick your categories, do what the jar decides for you, without thinking too much. This is just for practice and to loosen up. The jars take off the pressure of choosing what to do, and at the same time helping give it your time, structure, and in creating combinations of color, subject, material, or task and time, for example, that not necessarily you would think of. You can also do your own personal version of the jar of prompts. I, for once, made the jar of the working artist, in which I've put the thing to do and the time to dedicate to the task. Creating art, reading emails, checking social media, send portfolio to dream company, learn new things, experiment, and so on. And for the times, I've put 1 hour, 20 minutes, a full day, as long as it takes, and more. I did also a similar one, the jar of dreams, with a dream task and the time to dedicate to the task. My favorite jar is the jar of dreams. What about yours?